In this video, I'll show you how to add skills to your LinkedIn profile in 2026. Adding relevant skills helps recruiters understand your expertise, improves your profile's visibility in search results, and increases your chances of getting discovered for job opportunities. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to LinkedIn.com or launch the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Sign in to your LinkedIn account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, click on your asterisk profile picture and select View Profile ***. Scroll down until you find the ***skills** section. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, you can add it manually. Click the *add ** or ++ button in the skills section. A search box will appear where you can type the name of a skill you'd like to add. As you type, LinkedIn will display suggested skills. Select the one that best matches your expertise. Continue adding the skills that are most relevant to your profession, education, or career goals. For example, you can add technical skills, software knowledge, communication skills, project management, marketing, programming, graphic design, or any other professional abilities. After adding your skills, LinkedIn may ask you to identify your top skills. Choose the ones that best represent your strongest abilities, as these are often shown more prominently on your profile. Don't add random or unrelated skills just to make your profile longer. Instead, focus on skills you genuinely have and can demonstrate through your experience or certifications. Keeping your skills accurate makes your profile more trustworthy and professional. Once you're finished, click *save* if required. Your skills will now appear on your LinkedIn profile, and over time, your connections may even endorse them, making your profile even stronger. And that's it. You've successfully added skills to your LinkedIn profile in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe